I might have it. If you're looking to move to Eagle, Idaho, nice, quiet subdivision, super safe, lots of amenities, I might have the place for you. I'm currently in the Legacy subdivision here in Northwest Eagle, and it's a very nice, very amenitized community. What I'm standing in front of just might be the solution for you. It is a single level, 2,330 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 4-car garage on almost 1/3 of an acre. Now, before I show you this, I just want to talk to you about some of the things it has. Again, single level, split bedroom, floor plan, 4-car garage, very nice big backyard, new carpet, new paint, granite, stainless steel appliances, very nice patio. That's can be covered off and made a little bit more private. So what I want to do is just kind of take a minute to preview this home for you. And here we have it. This is 1145 Foudy Lane in Eagle, Idaho, in the Legacy subdivision. You hear that? You see that? Absolutely nothing to hear. And just beautiful trees, nicely cared homes, 4-car garage, and great condition home. They're going to take a few seconds and walk through so you can also see the type of home that I'm talking about. This home is perfect for anybody that wants a very nice, quiet home in a really nice subdivision with a split bedroom floor plans. Somebody with older children, or needs some extra spaces for whatever. These rooms are 12 by 12 bedrooms, 9 feet high, tall ceilings, new carpet, single level, as I stated before. It's got a bathroom up here, granite countertops, extremely clean, hardly lived in, and it's 5 years of being built in 2021. It also has a 3rd bedroom or a 4th bedroom or an office with hardwood floors. Lots of great lighting. Lockable walk-in closet here. And when you enter into the home, you see nothing but a wonderful backyard. That's the great room. And here are the bedrooms, bathrooms, entryway, storage closet, and the office or bedroom. Peeking around the corner, we see the great room and the kitchen, dining area, gas fireplace with the ceiling fan. Again, new carpet, new interior paint, looking out and back in the backyard. Can you picture yourself here having nice dinners, friends over, entertaining, cooking, baking, watching the ball game, all within the privacy of your own home? We have a Farmer stainless steel sink, stainless steel dishwasher, brand new appliances, hardly ever used, if any. Here we have a nice large pantry, lots of storage in this home. And you can see just how big that pantry is. It also has plug-ins for appliances, lots of room to roam, nobody stepping on each other. Again, all in a single level. Right off of this is the entry to the 4-car garage, as I just said earlier, and this great big huge laundry room with a sink. Custom countertop there, lots of storage up. Again, 9-foot ceilings. It makes this house look so much bigger than it is, the 2,330 square feet. But as you kind of get a feel for this home, it's very cozy. It's not too big. It's not too amenitized, meaning we don't having a lot of things that may not be used in the home, but it's got some really nice things in it. It's got a nice covered patio. We'll go look at that here in a few minutes, but just wanted to show you again. You can put bar stools here, couches, chairs, recliners, place for the TV, lots of spots for art. And then back behind here, we're going to lead into the master suite, which we'll talk about just a little bit further. Before entering the master suite, there's another linen closet. Again, freshly painted, new carpet, main floor, primary, ceiling fans in almost all the rooms. And then we go into the nice large master primary bathroom with 2 vanities, tall ceilings, separate tub and shower. It's a big soaker tub. Walk-in shower, nice water closet, and this huge, gigantic primary room master closet. Lots of room to put your things, get comfortable, and here's the primary suite. One of the unique upgraded features that this has is a really high-end doggy door. This can be secured for permanent locking, or if they have a pet collar that has a key on there, like an electronic key. So as soon as the door recognizes the key, the door will raise, the dog can come in, and then will automatically close. That's pretty cool. We're looking at the backyard here. Again, it's got a drop-down curtain for a little extra privacy or shade if you'd like. It's got a fire pit. I mean, just look at this yard. Almost 1/3 of an acre. No doggies making all noise. It's pretty quiet. Very, very private between all the landscaping that's been done between the last owners and the current neighbors. It's in really great shape. Here in these subdivisions in Idaho, what we have called is pressurized irrigation. And pressurized irrigation is basically you can use as much water based on a limited availability this year, but usually not a challenge. But it's basically from April to October, as much water as you can use or should use responsibly for about $100 a year. So every subdivision built probably since 1995 here in Idaho has that feature. You can see here it's where you turn it off and on. You can hook a hose up into one of those and spray things if you need to. But very nice, quiet backyard. It's the middle of the day. It's about noon. And not hearing anything really other than the birds chirping. It's not on a busy road, as you can see. Backs up to other homes. But there's lots of space in between each home. As you can see here, there's 40 feet between each house. This is a separate dog run area here, or you can make it into a nice garden area. This is going to get full sun in this area right here, so that you can plant a garden. You have the water just right there for your watering your landscape. That unit right there is a mini split, which is used for the garage because it is a temperature controlled garage. So if you like to do woodworking like the former owner did, or the current owner, did, and plenty of shop space to dink around in the winter, cool off in the summer, lots of space to roam. And then when you're ready to go back inside, we're going right into the dining area. Before we talk about the garage, I just want to talk about how much parking you have availability to. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4 cars here in the driveway. Obviously, a couple cars up front if you have lots of guests that you like to entertain. And then, of course, you have the 4-car garage. This is a 2 deep bay. This is a double traditional 2-car garage. The home features also a water softener, as you can see there. Lots of shelving for woodworking, storage. America. It's got a separate entrance to the backyard, doggy area, whatever it was, or garden area if you make that. There's the mini split for the cooling. You have a sink here for anything that you need to clean up or do, but you can see there's plenty of room, space in this house for storage, roaming, enjoying your life, working on hobbies. A few things about this subdivision legacy. It's in the Eagle School District. Eagle High School is probably just less than a mile away. There is a elementary school just down the road. Legacy in 2007 was supposed to be a really high-end golf-based subdivision. That had to change because of the 2007 downturn, where they had to kind of pivot on the type of homes they built in here. This is where the area they kind of pivoted in. We are on the west side, or excuse me, the east side of the subdivision. And on the west side of the subdivision, which is about a half mile to the east, to the west, which is that way, is Highway 44, excuse me. And 44 is a pretty big, busy road, which is much louder than this side of the subdivision. In between the houses there, you see lots of green space. In the green spaces, this entire subdivision has lots and lots of walking paths. It's got a little par 3 golf course, all included into the subdivision HOA dues. So if you're looking for a very quiet, very amenitized home, we are the largest home under 700,000 in Legacy Subdivision. It's a 1145 Foudy, 2,330 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 4-car garage on 0.29 of an acre. If you're interested, like some more information about this, I'd love to talk to you. My phone number is 208-861-5141, or feel free to go to my website, buyingboise.com, or find me on Instagram, which is Idaho, or Facebook, Robert Renteria. Wherever you are, you can find me. I'd be happy to talk to you and look forward to connecting with you. Thanks so much for your time.